Eduauraa, सपनों की
Give me freedom.
Hello students, this is Amit Chawla, your physics mentor, and let's learn about electricity and magnetism. Hello children, welcome back to Eduauraa. This is Amit Chawla and we are in the middle of learning air expands on heating. When air is heated, the energy of the heat increases the kinetic energy of the molecules. Thus, the molecules vibrate more and result into its expansion. Air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. This can also be seen with the following experiment. If we take a tin or a can half filled with boiling water, close it and put cold water over it, what we will observe is that it will crumble the tin or the can. Now why is it happening so? When we close the can with boiling water inside it, it had the same pressure as that of the surrounding. When we added the cold water over it, the pressure reduced. As a result, the external pressure is more and internal pressure is less. This will cause the wind to try to blow into the tin, and in the process it will crumble the tin. Wind currents are generated due to uneven heating on the earth. Uneven heating between the equator and the poles. The equator divides the earth into southern and northern hemisphere. The equatorial belt extends up to 5 degrees north and 5 degrees south. Since the equatorial region receives most sunlight, the air near the equator becomes warm and it starts to rise. This decreases the pressure in this region. The rising warm air cools after attaining a certain height, so the air spreads and starts moving in the north-south direction. At poles, sun rays are inclined. These polar regions have cold air that sinks in. On the Earth's surface, the winds move from high pressure to low pressure. Ideally, the winds would have flown from north to south or south to north. These winds change their direction because Earth always keeps on rotating from west to east. In this way, winds keep on flowing throughout the Earth. Uneven heating of land and water. In the summer season, the land warms up faster, and most of the time, the temperature of the land is higher than that of the water in the oceans. The air over the land gets heated and rises. This causes the wind to flow from ocean towards the land. These are the monsoon winds. The winds from the oceans carry water and bring rain. It is a part of the water cycle. Farmers in our country depend mainly on rains for their harvests. In winter, the direction of the wind flow gets reversed and it flows from land to the ocean.